Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I want to share with you one of my secrets to beautiful hydrated skin.
It was recommended to me to use jojoba oil by my esthetician because it is a fantastic way to stay nice and moisturized. It is so good for your skin, your hair, your nails. And I went for this Majestic Pure USDA organic 100% jojoba oil, and I am so happy with it. I could tell right away that the quality was there. That's exactly what I was looking for, especially using on my skin. I wanted this to be top quality. I'm really, really happy with it. It keeps me nice and moisturized. It's wonderful to use, and coming with that easy to use pump is fantastic as well. So everything about this is very thoughtful. I'm super happy with it. Do your skin a favor and get this awesome oil.
If you're looking for a gorgeous, pure jojoba oil, definitely check this one out. I have been really happy with it, but that's just my point of view.